my goodness.
3.
Oh, she's the only kid that has no apprehension about putting that in her mouth, putting her face in it.
Dive in.
Is that good? She goes, wait, I gotta get the icing first.
She says, this is pretty good, Mom. She's actually sucking it.
No, she's sucking that icing right off her finger. She says, this is good.
Ooh, there it goes.
What's she doing? Is she getting dirty? Yeah, you're going to get a piece of cake in here. What you got, Savannah? What's she doing?
Savannah, look at that face. This will be up on YouTube tonight. Oh, you gonna share? Your hands are already filthy.
Oh yeah, I want whatever she's got.
What are you doing?
I can't get in there.
Get her face.
Watch out, girls. Cause hey, say hi. Look at my hands.
Ah.
She's like, what are you guys doing? Everybody's in my face. I won't even take the video.
As long as I can take it. It'll keep going. I can do another hour.
Savannah.
Hold on, I'm rubbing it in. Well, keep your hands down out from your throat.
No. Nicole, move, please.
I wanted to be in the picture too.
Well, it's not your birthday.
Savannah.
But I wanted to be in the picture too.
Savannah.
Okay, I am eating.
Yeah, she's like, you guys keep taking my picture.
Look at her.
Well, don't put your fingers down your throat.
Savannah.
You gotta clean her all
Savannah.
up. Oh, what?
We'll clean her up.
Savannah. Savannah.
Savannah Grace. Look at that face.
What are you choking on?
Her hands. Hitting the cake.
There we go.
You got a good one, you'll have to send it to me because I didn't get a good one.
I got a
If
good
you
one.
guys got good ones, you'll have to send them to me.
Yeah, rub it in Zizzy's face. Say.
No! No!
Get
No!
it on the car. Brandon. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one.